Welcome back to another Denial of the Day podcast where we're talking about what some insurance companies will do, adjusters specifically, that might directly affect your claim in a negative light. Chris, you are here somewhere in
Yes,
Batcave. Oh, there you
I
are.
have the Batcave on.
You were camouflaged for a second. Hey, what are we talking about today?
Well, today, yeah, we're talking about. We want to continue letting everyone know and inform you about the Unfair Claims Settlement Practices Act here in Colorado, and so
Right.
we're kind of diving deep into this. And this one, more specifically, that we see this happen a lot too, is about basically misrepresenting the policy. You know how that's a
Yeah.
violation of the Unfair Claims Settlement Practices Act.
Right. So a
So,
lot of times you might hear your insurance adjuster say, "Oh, that's not covered. We don't pay for that. It's not warranted. This isn't
mm,
something that should be involved in the claim or get paid for. Oh, that's not something I've ever paid for before." Okay. We don't care
mm,
about any of that crap. What we do care about is what the policy says. And if you're
mm,
misrepresenting what the policy says to the insured or to their representative or whatever else, whoever else it might be, then you are misrepresenting the policy, which is a violation of the Unfair Claims Settlement Practices Act. And that is against what is called good faith and fair dealing from what the insurance companies should be doing.
mm,
And they're not. They're trying to tell you what's not covered versus saying, hey, you know what? That is covered. And I think it comes into play with a lot of these corporations, multinational, large corporations being for
mm.
profit or for lowest possible rates to gain clients. And therefore, they're trying to keep their claims expenses down. Chris,
Yeah.
what say you, my friend?
Yeah, so the biggest thing is we just got to make sure we call them out on this. That's the biggest
Right.
thing.
That's
Got to
right.
let them know, hey, because of this or for whatever reason, your method of repair, I mean, you are definitely misrepresenting the policy. That's a direct violation of the Unfair Claims Settlement Practices Act. And then they're like, oh, okay, I did not know that. Oh, so
Yeah, well, dude, you bring up a good point because a lot of times the people that we're dealing with are not 30-year seasoned veterans like they used to be. When I got in the
yeah.
industry, I used to deal with these GAs, general adjusters, which just means large loss adjusters that work for an insurance company. And they had
Hmm.
a ton of authority, a ton of knowledge. They understood the process of repairing slash replacing. And now we deal with someone that has been there for maybe 3 to 6 weeks, doesn't know anything except for they're reading off a sheet. Oh, that's not warranted. That's not warranted.
Hmm.
That's not warranted. Okay,
Yeah,
who says it's not warranted? Where in the policy does it state that it's not warranted?
exactly.
I don't
So,
know. So that's what
yeah.
we're talking about when you misrepresent the policy as an adjuster to the insured or their representatives. BellatorClaims.com. Let us know if you need help with your insurance claim, if it's a property claim related to industrial, medical buildings,
Mhm.
commercial, HOA, multifamily, school districts, municipalities, any of those. If it's a property claim, let us know. Chris, I'll let you
Yeah, last thing
take
I
it
want to
further.
add is we're trying to reach 1 million people. 1 million. So we definitely could use your help if you like it and enjoy our content. We're going to keep putting it out there. So please comment on anything that you'd like to properly, possibly have us discuss. But more
Definitely.
importantly, like, subscribe, and share with the world.
Share it with the world. Thank you so much. Let us help you. BellatorClaims.com.